How to find Windows 11 product key. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video, and in today's video we will see how we can find Windows 11 product key. So without further ado, let's get started with this video. First of all, click on your search icon and in the search bar search for Registry Editor. Once you see this, you have to click on Run as Administrator. Then click on Yes. So after you open up Registry Editor, now from your left hand side, you have to select a folder that is HK local machine and expand it. After that, again head towards the software folder and expand it more. Now under software, you have to look for another folder that is Microsoft, which is right here, and expand the Microsoft folder. Now again under Microsoft folder, look for another folder that is Windows NT. So go to all the way down to the W section, and from here you have to find Windows NT, which is right here, and again expand this folder. Here you will see this current version folder, again expand this more. So under current version folder, scroll down and look for another folder that is software protection. So here is the software protection platform. You have to double click on it. After you double click on it, on your right hand side you will see all of your information. Now to find your product key, here is the backup product key file. So next to this file you will see your product key, and that's how you can find your Windows 11 product key. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you are new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.